Back at the never can tell, we get this frame made up. It's going to help us raise some of the rocks out of the shaft. I'm going to go down there and have a look. Look down there so you can see what kind of situation we got there. You think I can go down there today?
Back this
There we go, so actually step down this ledge here. So Sam, you can listen as well. So we found the gold originally right here. It was in the centre obviously, but it was kind of at that level. It was here, but it was here in the centre.
punchy stuff, yes.
So if you have a look here in the walls, you'll see this, not sure what these rocks are because they're highly decomposed, but you can see the sulphides in there. A very interesting fact is that where this patch was, there were lots of sulphides on both sides. And then originally we got 3 ounces right here, 3 ounces at the very top here, and then we got bits and pieces as we're going down. I think by the time we got down here we got something like 6 or 7 ounces. And then right down here in this bit, this is the old stope by the way. So right about in here, but sort of in there, you can see where this sulphide material leads up here. These are probably basalts. And the patch was here, the big pod was here. I think it was about 8 ounces altogether in one pod. And I'll have to go down here to show you the actual vein that's actually coming up from under there. Here it is over here in the back part. That is the narrowing vein there. But what you've got to remember, this vein actually lenses out, so in other words it'll be thick and then it will narrow and then another one will start forming. So it's a set of veins. So what I'm going to do now is just put this down for a minute and step down into the mine. Oops, that's okay. Yeah, I'll edit it there. So let's see if I break my neck or not. I managed to get out.
Don't say that, it's a hard job for you to get down there to the rescue.
So let's see, step down here, grab onto that, yep.
So this is the old time, isn't it? For this other shaft.
No, it's a 1970, I think, it was 1970 or so.
Yeah, the timber,
Hey?
timber's very worn away, weathered away.
So, you can see me there now. I'll try and step down here. I'll get the camera and bring it down to the next level, I guess. Down here somewhere. I don't know if it will hang there. I'll just keep it with me now. So actually stepping down in the old stope. Let's see if I can manage to step down rather than jump down. Yep. There we go. Got a foothold there. Okay.
Does this connect up to this other one?
Yeah, it goes straight in through there, right?
Yeah.
So originally this was the level here that I dug to. You can see there just the ledge there, and then broke into the old workings down here. Now we're just going to make our way down here. What's that?
Right. Bit of rock dislodged and coming down in your head, but it missed you.
That's okay. I got my hat, or should protect me. What do you think?
Well, it's a hard hat.
There we go. So I had these couple of boys come down here and clean this up a little bit. There you go, you can look back up. You can see the old shaft there. And that rock up there is not very safe, is it? The stope continues down that way. And all this ground, this is a part of an old timber, all this ground was shattered with explosives.
Oh yeah.
You see these deep gashes, all sorts of things. They used far too much explosive. You can see the cracks in here. It's really bad ground. However, I wanted to come down here, and if you look carefully in the left hand side of the wall there, you'll actually see the vein. And the vein continues right up to your right foot there where you're standing.
Yeah.
You see it there?
This little fella here,
Yeah.
yeah.
And actually right there you can see how it's broken.
Oh, yeah.
And there's another bit. So this is the vein here. Here it goes. It tapers to a point, but there's another one starts right there, and it continues out the back. So this is a brittle fracture. It's a quartz vein. It looks dark, but it is quartz, I assure you. Here it goes down here. And it's getting thicker. It's much thicker. And if I stay on my feet, down in the floor, down there, it gets quite a lot bigger. But all the gold that was taken out of here, Samuel, was in, you know, the old, and I'm just talking this for the benefit of the people watching, the gold that was taken out here was old specimens out of this quartz, filled up the old metal bathtub, and two of those 20 litre drums, what are they called, 6 gallons, are they?
Yeah, something like that.
So we don't know exactly how much gold came out, but a friend of ours, Mr. Aubrey Lynch, saw Arthur Newland in the Menzies battery, the crushing plant, and he saw the gold there, and our estimate is somewhere from 600 ounces to 1,000 ounces of gold.
It's not bad for a little hole like this, is it?
It's not bad, that's right, exactly. It's not bad from a small stope, which is only, what, 2 or 3 metres high.
Yeah, about 300 kilos, if that, of rock.
So there you go, brittle fracture in mafic rocks, possibly other little veins down in these side veins. It's a northeasterly trending vein, and the reason I say that is because I'll carry on that topic in another one of my videos. But there you go for now. The vein inside, you never can tell. And recently, as we've pointed out in our other videos, recently we got 15 ounces from where your foot is there.
Oh yeah, right here.
To the surface, so that's quite amazing.
Mind those rocks don't hit you on that, on that hat there, sir.
Having said that, I'll sign off and try and get out of here. All right.